up, YouTube? It's your girl Dawn back with another makeup tutorial. This look is, you guessed it, the puzzle face. Hopefully you guys can really see in the camera it's picking up this holographic glitter because it's absolutely gorgeous. This is the first time that I've done this look, and it took me a really long time to map out the puzzle pieces, and I probably should have gone all the way down, but it's like 12 o'clock midnight right now and I'm super tired. As you guys can see, my eyes are like super red, so I was lazy, but it's okay because we still rocked it, right? So like I said, this is our puzzle face. We have a bunch of glitter. We have fine glitter, chunky glitter, eyeliner, lipstick, just everything, and I think this look came out great. So before we go ahead and jump into this look, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, you drop a like, and then you leave a comment. Let me know how I did on this look, and then you stay tuned to see what else I have planned for the rest of the month. So let's go ahead and jump into this look. So first things first, we are going to do the glam side of our puzzle face. Starting out with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, we're going to go ahead into that deep black there, and we're going to start our smoky eye. Now I am doing an extended wing here, so here I'm going to basically map out my crease with that black, and then I'm going to go ahead and fade that in, blend it before we go ahead and cut it. As you guys can see, my camera is failing with autofocus. There's a lot of lights and a lot of glitter going on, especially with my bed in the background, so you will have that problem going on. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead with our Morphe palette, the Bronze Bay. We're going to pick out a nice brown. We're using Now Boarding, which is a skin tone shade, along with Hang 10. And we're basically going to go ahead and smoke out that black wing. Next, we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. We are using the Vaseline method. I am using cocoa butter because that's what I have, but you can absolutely use any type of petroleum jelly you have. I'm just using this to cut out my crease. This is going to eat up any makeup that I have or any makeup that it touches, and then I'm going to go in with a Q-tip and we're going to clean up that crease. This crease is supposed to be super sharp, which is why I like using the Vaseline method. Now we're going to saturate a Q-tip with some eye makeup remover, and this is going to help us clean up that crease. Now we're going to go ahead and start our base. We are using the Revolution Conceal and Define in shade C1, and we're basically just going to block out the shape for our cut crease. Now we're going to go ahead and start the base for our glitter. We are going into our Deck of Scarlet palette, and we're using the shade Diamond Dust. And this is a holographic silver. It is a beautiful color. It's unfortunate that the camera really doesn't pick it up all that well. But we're going to go ahead and lay down this silver. That way when we add our glitter, the entire look has body. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. This is just a basic eyeliner that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is a liquid black liner, and I'm just going to go ahead and do my Cat Feline Lean. So now we're going to go ahead and add our chunky glitter. This is by Lush Legacy. This is their holographic silver. We're going to go ahead with our base booster. This is by BH Cosmetics, and this is basically going to be an adhesive so our glitter can stick to our eyelid. I'm going to go ahead with some fine glitter, and this is a fine holographic glitter, and I'm adding this first before we add our chunky. That way the fine glitter will fill in all the gaps of the chunky glitter. So now our glam eye is basically done. We're gonna go ahead and map out the puzzle pieces for the rest of our face. I'm going in with a brown lip liner. That way I can just easily make out rows and make columns and then make my puzzle pieces around that. That is the easiest way I found to make my puzzle pieces in straight lines and make sure that they were symmetrical. And again, I'm so sorry my camera is having focusing issues. It's because all of the sparkles, it's too much light and the camera doesn't know where to focus. So now that I have all of my boxes formed, I'm just going ahead and adding semicircles to form my puzzle pieces. Once I have my entire face blocked out, I am going in with some white concealer. This is Pro Conceal. This is the color Porcelain, and I'm going to fill in, not all, but some of my puzzle pieces. That way I have a base for the chunky glitter. I'm starting out with my face. I actually did my entire left side, well, your right, and this entire thing is going to be covered with silver glitter. So once I have the entire space blocked out, I'm going back into that Deck of Scarlet palette, and we're using that Diamond Dust again, and we're basically just going to fill this entire space with that silver. Once that's done, I'm actually going to go ahead with the other puzzle pieces that I chose to add the silver glitter sparkles to. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Now, all of the puzzle pieces are not just silver. I did go ahead with that purple. I didn't have this color in an eyeshadow at the time, so I went ahead and I used lipstick instead, but it came out just as good. Now, to define my puzzle pieces a little bit better, I am going in with a black auto liner just to define those puzzle pieces a little bit better. And I'm also going in with a soft brush just to add some definition to those puzzle pieces. Now that the silver puzzle pieces have been based out, we're going to go ahead with our base booster. We're going to go with that fine glitter, and we're also going to go with that chunky glitter. That way everything is matching our glam eye. Now for our lashes, we're going to go ahead with the Lush Legacy 25mm mink lashes. These are my favorite. These are called Roxy. This is my first edition of my Lush Legacy eyelash brand. We are now on our second edition, but this is the finished look. This is my puzzle face. I think this came out absolutely gorgeous. It really sucks that the camera couldn't pick up all the glitter shimmers. It's just too much light, but when I turn the light a little bit lower, it's amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this lip. I am using that Full Throttle, that purple, and this is it. This is my glam Halloween look. Normally I do gory, but I wanted something different. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I wonder what I have in store.